Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add someone as a contributor to your Wix website. First thing what you have to do is you have to go over to wix.com. You are gonna log into your account and then you have to go to my sites. Then you need to select the website which you want to add someone. We are going to click on select and edit site and then you will be sent over to the site dashboard. Once you are there, simply go over to the settings. Now look for roles and permissions and click on it. You will then be sent over to the roles and permissions page, and here you can invite people to work on this site and assign them roles and set their permissions. So now what you have to do is, in order to add someone to your site, you are gonna go over to invite people, and right here you need to add their Wix account's email. So in order to add someone to your Wix website, they already need to have a Wix account. And once you find the email, or once they've given you their email, simply add it right here. After entering the email, if you scroll down, you will see there is already a few pre-made roles: the admin, website manager, website designer, and back office manager. As you can see, there is a lot of roles right here, which is great. And once you found the role you want to add, simply click on it. So for example, let's say I would want to add a blog editor. You can simply select role and click on send invite. You then get this pop-up: your invite email was sent. You will now see that I have added the one person in my Wix website. The invite is there for 30 days and the role is displayed right here. Now just one quick notice: if you want to create a custom role, you can do that by manage roles, and then you can click on create a new role. And here you can add a title, you can add a description, and you can also set all the permissions you would want that role have. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.